Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I'd like for you to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel. So we're going to be I'm continuing with my Thanksgiving series, and so I'm going to show you how to make candy yams topped with marshmallows. Candy yams topped with marshmallows. Okay, would you like that? Okay, so that would be great on your table because you know the yams is the orange color, which represents fall, and then you're gonna have the marshmallows on the top. Oh, can't wait to taste that. When those marshmallows melt, oh, they are so good with that creaminess in your mouth. Oh, I'm going to stop there and I'm going to show you what we're going to do, okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay, so I have 2 candy yams that I already peeled, and we're going to pick it up from there, okay? This is the pan that we're going to be putting it in. I already oiled the pan with some olive oil on the bottom and on the side. Okay, so we're going to cut big chunks. Oops. And it's hard and my knife is dull. Okay. Alright, we're going to do big chunks. About like that. Same thing for this one. Okay, and this last one. Okay, so that's what we're looking like, okay? Okay. Now, let's add our ingredients. We're going to be adding some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. I have some sugar-free syrup, but you can use any syrup you have. Just a little. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's about 3 or 4 tablespoons of syrup. And now I have some brown sugar. Brown sugar. I'm going to put 1 big handful, 2 heaping handfuls of sugar. So that's probably equivalent to maybe, I would say, 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Okay? Okay, let me wash my hands. Alright, now I'm going to add some, this is lemon juice. I'm going to add 2 caps of lemon juice. 1 cap. 2 caps. Now I'm going to add some vanilla extract. Let's go with 2 caps of vanilla extract. One cap. Two caps vanilla extract. Okay, I'm going to take, this is a stick of margarine. And I want to cut it up in slices. I'm only going to use 3/4 of this stick. And I'm just going to place the sticks of margarine here, there, everywhere on the top. Okay, so you see I used 3/4. I have this 1/4 left over, okay, of margarine. Okay, I have about an ounce of water here. I'm going to just pour a little water just on the bottom to make steam. I didn't even do the ounce. Just enough so that once the yams start cooking, they'll release their own water and they'll make some water. Okay, so now I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. I'm going to bake it in the oven on 400 degrees, okay? It's probably going to take about 40 minutes. Okay, I'll be back with the word of the day. Thank you. The word of the day. The word of the day is blessed. Blessed. You're blessed because you're still here. You're blessed because you can talk. You're blessed because you're able to make ends meet. You're blessed because you ate today. You're blessed because you have loved ones around you. You're blessed because you have children who care. You're blessed because you are able to show love to others. How blessed you are. And what comes with the word blessed? Well, what comes with the word blessed is how blessed you are. And I'm so happy that you feel blessed. And if you don't feel blessed, think of all the blessings around you and then you will feel blessed. Blessed is the word of the day. Thanks. Okay, so I'm gonna add the marshmallows towards the end once the yams are just about done, because if you add them now they will brown too soon, and you don't want them to brown before the yams get done. Alright, so we'll be waiting on our candy yams to cook. Thank you. Okay guys, the candy yams are out. I'm just going to plate it up for you, and I want you to notice one thing. Once you cut them up and you put them in the pan and put them in the oven, you don't turn them or anything. That way you don't break it up and it all comes out looking just like you put it in. Okay? Alright, so let me taste for you. Look at those candy yams, guys. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna taste. Wow. The yams, they always surprise me how wonderful they taste. So good, so good. And with all the brown sugar and the sweetness on it, it just makes the yams come right out to candy yams. Love it, love it. You're gonna love it, okay? All right, for your Thanksgiving meal, another one just for you. Okay, give it a thumbs up, please. Please share the video. Oh, wait, I forgot the marshmallows. How could I forget that? Let me put them on there. I will not go without putting them on there. 1 second. Okay, guys, I have some mini marshmallows. Okay, so I'm gonna just put some right on the top. Okay, and I'm going to put them in the microwave on, I'm going to try 2 minutes first. Okay, it's on in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now, you can also put the marshmallows on the last 5 minutes of the cooking, but since I forgot, I'm putting mine in the microwave. As long as the marshmallows melt, you get the same results. Okay? Okay. And I'm going to keep an eye on it in the microwave, okay, on these 2 minutes. Okay, guys, look at that, huh? How about that? Now I'll have to taste one with the marshmallows. Okay, guys, my second taste with the marshmallows. Hot. Wow. The marshmallows gave a creaminess to it. I like it. Okay, you got it all now. Okay, talk to you soon.